This is week 7 of my fieldwork experience. This week I observed 3 different groups of Latina students in the classroom. The first group would be these 2 Latina girls that do seem more. And I can only infer what's going on at home, but I would assume that this group of girls are more the Mexican, more traditional Mexican girls. Like in the article says, and the article Working Class Chicas says, I feel like they would belong in the Mexican American girls that are like the chola style kind of girls. I think that's where they would fall into eventually. They're kind of young still right now. I think that's where they would fall eventually. For the second group of girls that I do believe they would fall into them, the what are they called? The college prep Mexican American girls, who they are the ones that are they do follow the chola style, but they're still going to college prep courses and stuff like that. I can tell the difference between the two because when the chola style girls arrived later in the day, the college prep Mexican American girls stopped doing what they were doing and went along and followed them straight. Whatever they said to do, they would follow and act like them and do whatever they did. But when they were not there, they would act and be more academic, I would say. There's this other group of girls, other Latina girls, that aren't really involved at all with the chola style girls, I would say. I would say these are the Mexican American girls that reject the chola style. And I can see this because of the way she dresses. It's one specific student, her name's Erica. She doesn't she isn't friends with other Mexican girls, other Latina girls at all. She doesn't interact with them, she doesn't hang out with them or play with them. So I think those are the groups that these girls would probably fall into in the future. I'm just inferring what could probably happen by how they act and how they how also the chola style girls would not interact at all with the white girls or black girls, which I find interesting, because in the article Working Class Chicas, the author does mention that the chola style girls do not get involved with the white prep girls, and there's a lot of those in the classroom, and they don't play or they don't really talk to each other at all. So yeah, that's what I got for today.